welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Coach bag reveal video. So I'm going to be showing you my new Coach bag. Yes, your girl got a new Coach bag. This was actually a gift, but just want to show you because who doesn't love Coach bags? They're a bit more affordable. If you're looking to get into luxury bags or designer bags and you don't want to spend like £2,000, this video is for you. And yeah, I will be putting links of the bag. If I can find it online, I will put it in the description box for you because I do not think they have it in any store. I think it's like an online one at the moment because I have so many variations of this bag, so I'm not sure if you can get it in store, but I will put a link. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. It really helps out my channel. And let's get into the video. All right, so I'm just going to show you this beautiful bag. So here it is, guys. This bag, can we just take a moment for this bag? Like, it's absolutely stunning, from the hardware to the colorway to the shape to the structure. This bag is just everything. This is a grown woman's bag. Got the beige color there. You also have the ox bloody color here, like a winey color. I can't really describe that. Gold hardware. And then you have the ox blood color on like the strap. Ox blood is literally my favorite color for this time of year, even in the summertime, more winter time. Yeah, like it's just so rich, this color. Like it's just such a rich bag. Like you just look so expensive with this bag. Like the structure of it, it's not the pillow tabby, this is the original tabby. So it looks like that. You can wear it 3 ways as well, so it does come with the strap. So that's the strap. Wouldn't really use this strap, but it is nice to have that versatility, and it comes in like that berry shade as well. But the bag is just absolutely beautiful. Like, you can wear it over the shoulder. I will be doing some modeling shots so you can see what it looks like on me, of course. But yeah, this bag is beautiful. Inside, it's like this on the inside, and it's like a really nice like velvety color. I haven't worn this bag yet, so you've got all like the cards in there. You have a middle compartment. You have a middle compartment as well. This bag is just honestly everything. I will do modeling shots so you can see what it looks like on, but it's just absolutely stunning. So luxury, so high quality. It looks very, very, very expensive. It's just amazing, honestly. Like, I absolutely love it. I love the sound of like the hardware. The funny thing is, I did actually get the pillow tabby bag and the black one, the 26-inch one, like this one, and I sent it back because it was a bit too big and didn't really wear underneath my shoulder, and it just looked a bit weird. But this one, I feel like it goes nicely. It basically suits my kind of image that I'm going for. It basically is what I'm looking for in a bag. This one is the 26-inch bag as well, so it does fit a lot of stuff in. If you want me to film another video on what can fit inside this bag, let me know and I will film it for you because it does fit a lot of stuff in. It is more of a structured bag though, so you have to be a bit more strategic with what you can put in the bag. It's absolutely stunning. You can wear it as a clutch as well if you like, if you want that kind of look. But yeah, I just think the bag is just absolutely beautiful, really, really nice. And yeah, I'm just really looking forward to wearing this out, and I'm just looking forward to basically being on my grown women stuff, because this bag is giving grown woman chic, period. So yeah, goes with my outfit now. Obviously I look a bit more, I'm wearing loungewear at the moment, but it looks nice in loungewear. Obviously it looks nice, quite dressy, but yeah, it's a nice way. It's just a nice bag. It goes with everything. You can wear it with neutrals, you can wear it with black, you can wear it with any of the colors basically on the bag. It's just a perfect bag, and I will try and get links if I can find it. Right guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a short one, just showing you my bag, like what it's looking like. And yeah, I'll put the price and everything in the description box. This one was $395 or $495, but I will definitely check and put it in the description box for you if I can find it. And yeah, the bag is beautiful, you guys already know. Cannot wait to wear it. I feel like I'm gonna wear it to death. And summer, winter, spring, autumn, all year round. So thank you so much again for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe.